So this video is to illustrate one of the issues with the Keysmart product. It works really well on the side without the additional loop. The additional loop's there so you can attach car keys and old style keys, of which there are many in the UK. Yeah, the other side works fine. The keys come out individually and crucially they go straight. So when you're using it in a door where the lock is quite close to the frame, there's no angle, because obviously when there's an angle, the entire body of it rotates, often to a larger extent than the door allows. On the side with the loop, currently if you just attach keys via a couple of smaller rings, which presumably is what I thought was the idea at least, what you'll find is that when you try and get the keys out, first of all they don't come out singly, and secondly the loop kind of rotates with it, so that one goes straight, but I mean the other one, basically often it's a little bit of a battle to get it straight. See, that one's coming out now, and you get a real feeling of metal being pressed and bent against metal, which are these two little loops here relative to the main one that's on the keychain. It is a bit of a design flaw. It means opening doors with these two keys is kind of an unpleasant experience, which is contrary to the idea of the product. It should be easier and seamless, which it is. On this end, it's fine. You flip them out, you undo the door. On this end, it's a problem. So the next idea I'm going to have to consider, I suppose, is using a bit of rope, like a small bit of cord or something even thinner than this, and creating a short loop between the small loop that's attached to the keychain and eventually the keys. And perhaps if I do that, it will stop the issue, but I'm not convinced it will. I mean, it seems a little bit fundamental to me. So there we are. That's the feedback and the problem I perceive with the device. You can see how everything kind of crunches together and it gets all rather messy.